In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error synchronizing folder step by step using simple and proven methods that work for most users. This is a very common Outlook issue that can stop your emails, calendar, or contacts from updating properly, and it can be incredibly frustrating if you rely on Outlook for work or personal communication. The good news is that in most cases, this error can be fixed in just a few minutes without reinstalling Outlook or losing any data. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Outlook and software tutorials. Now, let's jump straight into fixing the problem. First, start with the most basic but often overlooked step, which is restarting Outlook. Completely close the Outlook application, wait a few seconds, and then open it again. This alone can sometimes clear temporary sync glitches. While you're doing this, also double-check your internet connection. Outlook relies heavily on a stable connection to sync folders properly, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and that your connection is working without interruptions. If Outlook still shows the synchronizing folder error after restarting, the next thing we want to check is whether Outlook is stuck in offline mode. Offline mode is useful in some situations, but if it's enabled accidentally, it can cause synchronization problems. To disable offline mode, open Outlook and go to Settings. From there, click on General and then look for Offline. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Enable Offline Email, People, and Calendar. Make sure this toggle is turned off. Once it's disabled, save your changes and close the settings window. This step resolves the issue for a large number of users because Outlook immediately tries to reconnect and resync once offline mode is turned off. After disabling offline mode, give Outlook a moment to sync. Watch the status bar at the bottom of the application to see if the error disappears. If the error is still showing, don't worry, there's another quick fix that usually works. Next, we're going to manually resync Outlook. Go to the View ribbon at the top of Outlook. In this ribbon, look for the Sync option. Click on Sync to force Outlook to resynchronize your folders, emails, calendar, and contacts. This manual sync helps correct mismatches between your local data and the server. After clicking Sync, wait until the process completes. You may see Outlook updating folders or downloading items. Once the sync finishes, close Outlook completely again and then restart the application. Restarting after a manual sync helps ensure the changes fully apply. In most cases, this combination of disabling offline mode, manually syncing, and restarting Outlook will fix the synchronizing folder error. When Outlook opens again, check your inbox and other folders to confirm that emails are updating normally and the error message is gone. If everything is working, you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Outlook error synchronizing folder using simple steps that anyone can follow. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who might be dealing with Outlook sync issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.